The project is part of the contract for the construction of 18th and 19th Streets of Uwelu Lagos Road opposite Uniben, Ohonre Road, Adolo College Road, Uwelu Road through power line by Upper Siloko Road to Ekanwa Road by Asoro Hill, Ewotubu, and others in Ego local government area. The governor is being accompanied by the Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, Ethan Ozamere, and contractor handling the project at the Uwelu catchment area. The work is meant to evacuate flood from Ubowo, Adolo, and adjoining areas. The inspection elicited appreciation by residents in the area who also appealed for the construction of a pedestrian bridge to enable residents and school pupils to cross over to other parts of Uwelu. Governor Obaseki is satisfied with the completion of the primary and secondary drains in the area, which is to evacuate flood into the master drain at Ogba River.
This is the Uwelu Road, which is going to be rebuilt. This is all part of our efforts to make sure that we make our internal roads motorable and get traffic moving around the city.
The state government is considering immediate construction of an internal bypass from the Uwelu corridor to decongest and redirect traffic into Benin City from the Igobazua axis on the Benin-Lagos Expressway. In Benin, Goodluck Enaini, NTA News.